Hello, this is Jovenal Narcisse, and once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today, we're going to unbox my third Iron Ranger from Red Wing Shoes. I have ordered online on Grind Store last week, and after 3 days, it arrived in my residence here in Metro Manila, and we're going to unbox it. It's still intact, and I really like how they pack. Very simple. And very compact. So we have here, it is wrapped in a bubble wrap, and the other receipt is here. And it got some advertisement in it. So we're going to open this box, remove the bubble wrap. And this is it. Red Wing shoes, and this is the model 2996, which is the Lineman, and it is color brown. I got the size 8 because, I'm sorry, I said in my introduction that this is my third Iron Ranger. I'm sorry, this is the Lineman model 2996. I stand to be corrected, and since I am size 8 in Iron Ranger, I asked my friend from the Grind Store if I have the same size with the Lineman as compared to my Iron Ranger, and she said that I have the same size. So I'm very comfortable enough to order size 8 for this Lineman, and it has a nitrite cork sole, which is totally different from the Iron Rangers that I have, because the Iron Rangers that I have, they have the what do you call this, B brown outsole, mini lug outsole. So this is totally different from my Iron Rangers that I have right now. There's the reason, is one of the reasons why I ordered this particular model, because it has a very unique design, and the eyelets goes all the way to the toe, and you don't have any toe box, and it's really nice. It smells leather, very nice. And it has the regular brown shoelaces. So let me see. I think this was made, I need my eyeglass. Just the same with my other Iron Rangers. This was made in 2019. And I can see that in the grind store, in the grind store, they have only 7 and 9 sizes. So when I look at the online website of online store, they still have one remaining size 8. So I immediately ordered this particular model, and I got it. This is actually the last model, or the last Lineman on size 8 on the website. So I'll get the other one. Okay. Very nice. Size 8. So as you can see, this is the Lineman model 2996 brown, and I have just inspected it, and you have a curvature on the top end of the shaft of the boot, and it has 7 eyelets and 3 speed hooks. 7 eyelets and 3 speed hooks, and you have the Goodyear welt 270 degrees all the way before the start of the heel, and this is a stitch down construction. As you can see, you have stitches here and at the sole portion, and as I told you, this is cork outsole, and it says about something about oil, and they have, as usual, they have very nice stitches on the leather. It is hard leather. As you know, Red Wing has their own tannery, and that's the reason why I like the Red Wing, because you don't have to choose what kind of leather are you going to get from their products. So this is very nice, and I will try to use this in a little while. Okay, so we're going to fit this Lineman 2996. They're they're really good. They fit me well. Looks good. There's no need to tie the shoelaces very tight, as they will break in as I use them. So nice. Very good. Good fit. I'm really size 8 in the red wing. It's really good. Good fit. Nice fitting. And I think I'll take 2 weeks or maybe 3 weeks to really break in these shoes. So today is February 1. After 2 weeks, I'm going to make a review of this Lineman 2996 as I'll try to make a report or review on how I was able to break in this Lineman 2996. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel and click that notification bell. Please make a comment if you have any suggestions about my reviews and other videos in this channel. Thank you and have a good day.